Good evening, everyone. This is Linda. It is at the end of the day, and I am tired. I guess it's about, I don't know. I seriously don't know. Let me see what time it is. So it is after 6 p.m. I have a young man. He's somewhere in the neighborhood. I can hear him. He is practicing his horn. Yeah, so you may hear that, okay? But I just stopped by. I just want to share with you all the things that I've done today just to get my garden prepared for spring 24, right? So I dropped a lot of seeds today, but I'm going to share it with you all. I hope you are having a beautiful Friday. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I'm looking forward to seeing you all on TNOG Sunday Night Live. Yay! Yay! All right, family. Kick back. Relax. I hope you enjoyed the video. Right, guys. So I'm going to drop 4 seeds to each variety. Well, let me say this. This is the way it's going to start. Okay? I may end up putting more, but we'll see. We'll see. But now I'm just going to... I like to direct sow my cucumbers. I like to direct sow a lot of things. But we're going to direct sow these. Right? Now, when I direct sow, my first joint is the depth that I put my seeds. Yeah, that was one thing my grandmother taught me, so it haven't failed me yet, right? So that's what I do. And so we got that was these babies right here. Yeah. And now I'm going to drop the lemons next to it. Let me get them out, y'all. Okay, so I'm over here. I'm behind my cucumber trellis. So this is the stump of one of my trees that went down. And here I'm going to drop a lot of flowers. Now I'm going to share with you all the flowers I'm going to drop today over here. I'm going to drop these zinnias. I'm going to drop a lot of my sage seeds too. And I'll share that maybe y'all. But I need to get these in the ground, right? I'm going to drop these. Yeah. I'm going to drop some of these. Now, I have lots and lots of my own saved sunflower seeds, but this was a gift. I'm not turning down gifts. So I'm going to drop these over here. And I shared these with you all in another video that I'm going to drop these nasturtiums and my favorite. So I'm going to drop those in this area right here. And I'll be back. Alright guys, I have dropped the seeds. You can see them, a lot of them there. There's a lot of them over there. And now I'm just going to throw soil out, cover them up. And, well, it rained this morning a lot, but I'm going to give them some water. Yeah. But I'm just throwing this soil over here just to cover them up. And let God do the rest. Amen. Amen, y'all. But it's been a beautiful morning, and I've dropped my cucumbers. They are all dropped. I'm going to water everything in. Wait a minute. I'm going to water everything in, and then I'm going in for today. Because it is getting hot as hello out here. And it is because of you know, all of the rain that we had the last 2 days. But anyway, there it is. They are all dropped. They're all planted. Let me share where I planted my cucumbers. All right, so this is my cucumbers. I planted them here, right down this row. I still got stuff in this bed, but I'm going to be planting out these babies soon. But they won't interfere with these, so the cucumbers are planted anyway. But we are having they're having an air show. I'm thinking it's Algiers base or some base they have back out the Bell Chase, I'm not sure, but they have an air show, and yeah, baby, they are bringing in the noise. They're bringing in the noise, right? And look at the onions; they're looking so good, right? But yeah, they're doing their thing and all kinds of flips and turns. You know how they do. I used to bring Jaden and Josh there when they were young. They used to love it. Jaden used to love that stuff. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go in and we'll talk in a minute. A short while ago, I dropped these seeds, the Greek Mountain Mint. Now, this is the first time I've dropped this mint, and they are very, very strong. The smell is very strong. They are much stronger than any peppermint, spearmint, or chocolate mint. This mint helps with the respiratory system, just like mullein. It also helps with pain. It have antioxidants. It is so much that this mint is. When you feel it, it feels like mullein. Grow it, family. You will not regret it. So I had a friend of mine came over the other day, and he wanted to know what was this. So I opened it so he can see it. And you know, once you take this foil off, you're going to have to put another piece of foil on. So let me do that. Okay, there she is, all nice and secured. Again. This is the brown turkey. She is just beautiful. But they all are. They all are. But anyway, guys, let me go get some lunch. So the garden is waking up. Everything is woke. Everything that's alive is woke. I harvest some parsley I'm going to use for my lunch today. But my next task and the next video will be me planting melons, watermelons, and cantaloupes. Now, I will be planting squash. I will plant some candy roaster squash. I will plant some spaghetti squash and butternut. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till around June or July. I'm not going to fight with this thing. I'm not fighting with the squash vine borer. No. So I'm going to plant her. I'm going to plant all of my squashes in June or July. Yeah. I'm going to let her go ahead on, do her thing. You know, go do your thing somewhere else. Find somebody else garden to go to. Because, yeah, I want to try to avoid her if possible. I want to try to avoid the squash vine borer. Yeah, so that will be my way of avoiding it. Planting just planting late. But anyway, guys, everything is doing really good. My pomegranate tree, oh my God, y'all. Check out this little clip I did this morning. So this is my pomegranate. Now, last year, Ben and I put this little tree in the ground. I had been having her in a container. This is my second year with this little tree. Now, last spring she did put on flowers, but we had some kind of weather, you know, and it just knocked all her flowers off. So I never received any fruits, but she had flowered before. But Ben and I put her in the ground, and when we put her in the ground, she began to flourish. Now, if I could find a picture of Ben and I when we put it in the ground, I'm going to put it in this area right here, okay? And let you see that she was just a little thing, and now she is extremely tall. She is extremely tall, and she is very healthy. And you may ask what I feed her. And if you've been on my channel, you know. Super Juice and 511. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I know. That thing is going to be amazing, and the flowers are really beautiful. That is the in the blue bucket. That is a black Italian fig, and next to it is the black mission, and behind it is another brown turkey fig tree behind her in that black bucket back there. Yeah. And that, the tallest tree over there, move out the way, girl. That one, that is a oriental, I think it's an orient pear. Yeah. And of course that's the olive, the mandarin orange, and that is the pineapple pear. She produced lots of pears. Lots. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I will holla. So there's this young man. He asked me how many fig trees I have. Now, I had 9, but I have 8 now. One of them died over the winter during that Arctic freeze. But I'm good. I'm good with 8. I'm good. I get lots of figs, and I'm good. So I want to share this with my nephew, Chris. Back to our roots. That is my my artichoke, man. Now I have about 3 more in the cup. I haven't planted them out yet, but she is doing amazing. She's on the right track, and you know, she's doing cool. I hope we both harvest a lot of artichokes, man. Artichokes. Yeah. I like it.